Alright, YouTube, what is up? Now, I think I said in one video I will be doing a reaction video to One Guy, One Screwdriver, because that's the easiest one I can find. And I'm on here in the garage on my computer, that's why I'm wearing a hoodie and a jacket, because it is freezing down here. But there is so much frost outside that it is not even funny. Anyways, let's get on to this. You can find this video on Vimeo, and that surprises me, because in school we watch a Vimeo. That's a website you're allowed to get on. But yeah, so you might see me if you, I don't know. Alright, let's check this shit out. My computer's a little bit laggy. You know, it's old, sort of. Ooh. What would he do? Oh. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, he just rubbed the camera. Oh. What is that? I saw that shootout behind it. Oh, he lost a lot of freaking blood. What? This is the guy from One Guy, One Jar. Huh. That was video, though. That was the short 1 minute 5 second version, I guess. Anyways, let's try Two Girls, One Cup. Now, this is usually where I throw up. Well, I don't throw up, but I'm about to. Like I said, it's cold. Alright. Oh, I remember this website. Hulu be or watch reaction videos. Like I said, that's my computer's laggy as fuck. Slow too. Slow as fuck. Okay, then on this one. I don't know why I wasn't on that one. This takes forever to fucking load. There we go, it might do. Fuck, I gotta download it. I can watch it on my iPhone like that. Half this video is gonna be me fucking searching. Oh, here it is. Oh! Oh. Oh. Puking parts. Oh. Okay, so that was... Oh my god, that was nasty. Oh my god. Never again. I'm gonna try to find one more thing if I can't, and then we'll can't. Perps. Oh, I found it. Let's think about it. My lips are dry. Hey, it's an odd website. Eh. Well, I don't know if it'll lock. Well, I think I found it. What shit? If it's like... Oh my god, I played it like so much. Like I'm stuck on the freaking comment section, like people are saying puke, and one says freaking came. I swear to god, there's fucked up people out there. Wait, what? Oh, damn it! This computer didn't take fucking hours. Oh, here it is. Ooh. How is he not screaming? Oh. Oh my god, it broke. Oh my god. Look at all the blood that's pouring out. Ooh. This is the slime guy that one guy with a screwdriver. Oh my god, look, the blood is everywhere. He's like picking glass up. Alright, I'll just go not watch the whole thing. Okay, because like, the video's gonna run out. See you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, all that. You know, just scary. See you guys later. Bye.